all the Telegram mining bot updates and stuff like that are in the description of this video. And you can also check out my playlist on all the new Telegram apps that we've started working on and the updates. So quickly, let's go through this one. Follow step by step so you don't miss out on anything. Once you open the bot, it's pretty simple. The interface is okay. You have to start farming almost immediately. You don't need to do anything, create an account or nothing. So 2 hours 59 minutes. It means the farming is going to end after 3 hours, right? Yeah. You come to the business session, there is nothing there. It's coming soon. We don't know how it's going to look like, and that is the best aspect of it. You are going to expect a lot. Now let's go to earn. There are ways to earn here. First, we can take our daily reward. So for day one is 10. Just click on it and claim. That is that for day one. Now you subscribe to their Telegram channel, Twitter, and then YouTube. Each of them is going to give you 100 coins, but it will be credited after 24 hours. So let's do the Telegram something. It's sure that it's been received, but it will be credited in 24 hours, right? They should ask me to claim soon and subscribe to our channel. Their channel 766 subscribers. It means that they are still very, very new. This is a new one that you don't want to miss. Still very new. Let's make sure it counts for us to claim. I know it's taking so much time, but it will be in soon. Now let's go to referrals. It should be in. We will do that later. Goes to referrals. This is where the news is. As compared to other mining projects that we've been taking parts of, this one is going to give you only 15% from your direct referrals, but you're also going to get 5% from their referrals and then 2.5% from their level 3 referrals, and that is so good. So as you refer and your friends refer and their friends refer, you are going to earn something that you can claim, and I think that is very nice. So the end, let's try to get that one done. I don't know why it's not coming, but yours should come after some time. And then that is that for this project. Updates will be dropped as the team releases them. So subscribe to our channel, share this with your friends, and let's go.